Thanks for tuning in to Surprisingly Geeky. I'm Devit, and this is LunarDawn. And we're excited that you've chosen to spend your 10 minutes with us.
We always enjoy it. People enjoying the things that we enjoy.
Yeah.
So now I think this would bring me around in a circle. If I didn't jump out. I think. There's one like right here. There we go. There's one coming up. Right here. But I don't know what it did. Apparently I was supposed to jump there. I'm getting worse. See? There's the shiny thing. There it is. Do you see it?
No, I forgot.
I think it's a gold bolt. In the water.
And why would you die in the water?
You probably have to dive in at a specific spot. Okay. Aww.
I saw it.
Did you?
Good.
See, I wasn't lying.
Maybe it's like an underwater thing that you can get. Like an underwater thing.
Maybe.
Dome.
Maybe.
I'm really curious what those things do, if anything.
Probably wouldn't find out until later on. Like further on down the grind rail. Problem is, it doesn't really even look like you hit them.
Yeah, glowing with the sound effects and it can bring, but you have to really be paying attention to it.
Yeah.
But so far you're doing much better.
Yeah. Don't you jinx it.
I don't want you to. I want you to do it. And I want you to look stylish. And you finish.
Thank you. This is a long grind rail.
Yeah.
Well, now there are bad guys on the track.
Sound like these.
No.
Why did you swing your thing at them?
I don't know.
Why didn't you do it?
Honestly, I didn't think that I could.
But you were swinging them at the thing.
Oh my goodness, Alright. No words. Did not know I could do this.
Well, I didn't know that you could give enough bombs, but
Wait, is it already open?
what? Whatever.
The little key thingy.
There's a Geeky?
Okay, I don't know what to call them. Little thing that you hit and it turns green and then we don't know what it does yet.
Oh,
Ah, it is already open. You see that?
is it red?
No. Okay, oh. Okay, well, I was pretty sure. I wonder if I could get those guys too. Which I can only assume are grind rail cleaners.
There's a gold bolt on the other. Yeah, that you almost got. But you were skipping it.
Did I skip it?
And you skipped it and you jump onto the other.
I did not realize. I had skipped it. Ah! No! No!
All it pausing got you off your groove.
Seriously. See? Green. It was green.
What is it?
I don't know. Right, I can't do 3.
It's really weird when you roll back like that.
When who? What?
In
When
the Ratchet, like, when you press like side to side.
that?
Yeah, it looks really weird when you do it and you're not about to jump.
Hmm.
It totally sounds blues. But it's true.
Oh! B-O-O-S. Okay, I thought you were saying B-O-O-Z-E. Booze.
I didn't know that blues had a sound effect.
I had no idea what you were talking about. Did I get it?
It's pretty cool sound effect.
No, must have. I guess we'll find out what it's finally supposed to do. Can I skip it all together? I don't know.
find out the answer. Hopefully next time on Surprisingly Geeky.